everybody, this is Tish, just doing what you do with Miss Tish. Guess what? Subdivision Garden. I am out here with my friend Miss Dawn. She the one that made them awesome cookies I posted. Yes, Dawn of Creation, awesome cookies. Oh, she does a lot of baking too. But anyway, I'm out with her at her church where she has how many garden beds? Three? Three garden beds out here in her garden. I wanted to show you her awesome garden beds. I didn't even ask her, can I videotape? Can I videotape? See? I'm just going to show you her garden. It's so beautiful. She has been doing an awesome job. Let me turn around. Awesome job. Oh my goodness. Isn't this beautiful? Look how green and how everything is growing. She done picked out jalapeno peppers already. She got squash ready. So awesome. And they got irrigation already in the beds. Now they do have space available too if anybody wanted to rent a space at the Presbyterian Church in Columbia and Blythewood if you're interested. So let me know and I'll get you the information. And matter of fact, I sent a link down because I do have the address to the church.
They have a Facebook.
They have a Facebook page. So this is a watermelon. Look how she being so creative. You see how she did these crates in the middle? And she has string going around to train her watermelon to go right along in this area. She have her cantaloupe trellising up. Look at this. Beautiful. All these flowers. The bees doing the job. She have cantaloupe growing already. Oh, if you could see the live action like I'm seeing right here and smelling these watermelons and different things out. I'm not watermelon, I'm smelling the peppers and the tomatoes. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. And look at this right here. Look at this trellis. You made that trellis too?
I did make it.
See, I tell you, when you have them friends, them gardening friends, we get so excited just talking about, look at that. Look. Man. I'm telling you, she pulling out fruit already, veggies already, about to make a meal. And look at that, look at that zucchini. Oh my goodness, beautiful beds. Oh my goodness. She been treating her garden and she be out here every day.
I prayer walk it.
Oh man, look. Let me turn it.
Yep.
She prayer walking. You know, hey,
I pray for everybody in the garden, not just
you
mine.
see what I'm saying?
So we do. And I bring my granddaughter out here, and we prayer walk it together. She's 2, and we just walk and pray for everybody's bountiful harvest here.
That's right. You see, that I always talk about how we need prayer, but our gardens also love the word. My grandmother used to always have her music on with her plants and stuff in one room where she kept a room full of her plants, and she always kept her music on, her spiritual room, and the word on, and they will come to the echo one right there. She detecting squash beetles, and she is making sure she getting these things off. She is taking care of her plants. That's what I'm talking about. But also continue to do what you do, but also put God in it, because I'm telling you, this is his creation. This is things that he blessed us with, and we had to be able to uplift it before him. And not only is she praying for her stuff, she praying for everybody things out here. Harvest, abundance of harvest. God has blessed her with something. Let us continue to take care of it. Ooh, I love it. All right. Watch, and I'm going to continue to.
Honored to be a guest.
I'm just going to continue to spend time with my friend out here at this Miss Dawn. She's awesome. Do you want to say some words to me?
No, I just want to thank Tish for her friendship, and she's very supportive and encouraging, and I love to watch her videos, and so I'm honored that I get to be in one of her videos. But more so, just give everything you have to the Lord.
That's right.
That's all I have to say, and just pray for peace in this world, and that everybody would just treat each other with kindness
That's right.
and keep doing good things.
That's right. God bless.
God bless.
Tish is doing what you do with Miss Tish, Subdivision Gardening. Continue to do what you do, but continue to do what God called you to do, okay? And be blessed. Have a blessful weekend. Bye now.